All right, we got a CSX eastbound train coming down the line. We were at Bayview Road at Hamburg, New York. The reason why I couldn't go to Clever Bay is because like parents want to go like a far, I want to go to a close distance. So time is now 6:29 a.m. Before we get to this video, I want to get this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and let's get some trains right now. He might stop the train. I don't know. Hope not, but it's gonna come. But it's coming, guys. It's raining as fuck. And I'm outside catching this train, guys. Which is a bad idea because, oh my god, I'm trying to catch the Amtrak 145 coming down the line. So yeah, this thing is raining as hell. And I'm going to be staying in the car until another train comes. So yeah, until another train, I'm going to go outside and catch another train. Because I'm not getting soaking wet all day long, guys. But he is moving slow, this CSX train. He's like recording I-158 or whatever. So what do you have for this train, guys? I thought I was gonna miss it, no way. Like, I didn't really do construction now. Maybe, I don't know. Because, oh my god, it's raining. Holy shit. I should just find a shelter, get an umbrella or whatever. This is, holy fuck. I need a fucking phone. Oh my fucking god, it's raining, bro. No. Alright, yeah. I mean, to be honest, Railfanning in the rain is like, sucks. Like, I mean, if you all let Railfanning in the rain, it's fine. I can handle your all opinions, guys. But right now, it's soaking wet. It can end up breaking my phone. So, I don't have an umbrella. I forgot to bring my own umbrella. And after I go record this train, I need to go back in the car and get like an actual jacket. Because I do have a jacket in my car, which I'm going to need to get it right now, but I can't because of this train moving slow. Yeah. Get a short train? No, a long train actually. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, it's fucking rain, bro. Like, holy shit. Trying to call my phone, whatever. So yeah. What this train actually? I'm not going in the goddamn rain all day long, bro. I need to go inside the car and avoid the rain for once until it stops. But to be honest, it's gonna rain all day, so it's gonna fucking suck. So yeah. On M368. Jesus Christ, he's slow as shit. Maybe Lake Avenue is doing construction, maybe. It's probably just always like going slow. Lake Avenue is doing social construction right now. You never know. And I'm gonna wait till like hopefully B7, B117 or BNSF NS and CP Power comes. If not, then I might go after that. I'm not go after the Amtrak 145. I am not getting soaking wet in this goddamn fucking rain, dude. It's so wet. Okay, it's starting to cool down a little bit. It's starting to get better a little bit. So yeah. But this flipping rain is going to drive me insane. Especially like, you know, like Jesus fuck. I'm sweating right now, man. No, I'm actually soaking wet. The train's getting slower and slower. Double DP, you alright? Oh yeah, it's getting darker and darker. Hope this train can end earlier so I can like go in the car. This is a long train. The slowest train I can ever catch in. Slower than the I-158 that go in track number 3, no cap. Because that one looks slower now. And that one looks longer. And that one's like making my video look longer. So yeah, hope this train actually ends right now. Oh my god, I'm actually... It's like raining in now, man. Oh wait, actually they might do work at the front 2 yards. Whether there's one like they're going slow, they might just work at the front 2 yard. Like M422s do work at the front 2 yard. I could tell about the other container cars on this train. So yeah, guys, this rain needs to hurry up immediately, guys. It's raining and soaking. I'm like, whatever. Well, I need to hurry up, rush to the car so I'll miss no trains. In fact, I might even see anything clean. Even worse, yes. In this rainy ass day. So after Amtrak 145 or on 148, I'm just gonna go home. The hot thing is soaking right now, man. But I can see the end, guys. Good news. The rain is going to come down faster and faster. But good thing the rain is going to come down right now. But the bad thing is the rain's coming out harder and harder. So yeah. But the good thing is that the end's here. I can see the end. It's getting a little faster, at least. Or maybe the same size. And I'm gonna go in the car and this train is long, man. And I already know the symbol. The symbol on that train is CSX M422. The 422 originates from Rocky Mount, North Carolina, heads east to South New York terminus. All on this Saturday, June 29th, 2024 by running the Railfanning on YouTube. This train at Bayview Road. Oh my fucking god. Hurry up. Like, I'm already ready to end the video, guys. So, this thing actually needs to end right now. So, yeah. This train is there's something over here. And this Friday, or next Friday, I'm heading to Ohio. And July 5th, after the fireworks, I'm gonna go get rest. And I'm gonna leave the house at like 3:30 to go to Ohio. Catch some CSX and NS trains back then. Alright, there's the end. Good news. I'm done recording the rain. Alright, here goes the next video roads. Time is now 7:30 a.m. and that came out of nowhere, guys. And yeah, my dad is sleeping right now, so yeah, I don't want to disrupt my dad right now. So yeah, he's crazy too. Ah, it's crazy as Hunter's dad, no cap. He's a nice dude. Jesus Christ, it's fucking raining, bro. Bro, seriously. Fuck, umbrella. God damn it. DP, alright! Bro, this umbrella fucking sucks, bro. Come on. Oh, fuck no, bro. Fuck. I thought I missed M635. I didn't know it was gonna come. Symbol is CSX M635. 635 originates from South Creek, New York, heads west to Columbus, Ohio terminal at the Parsons Yard onto the next train roads. All right, we got a Norfolk Southern eastbound train coming down. Line time is now 7:47 a.m. So what do we got for the eastbound train, guys? Oh my God, this umbrella is like literally like pissing me off right now. Tired weather, man. Holy shit. It's starting to wind up. Fuck. I gotta go to the other side. Yeah, the train's actually big on the wind now. Wow. It's on there, I guess. Like shit. I'm also waiting for the Amtrak 48 of 145, the Phrase 3 Harrison coming down the line. So it's not leading, it's trailing, but I would like to catch it for the first time. So why not? I should catch this today. It depends. I don't know if that's gonna be the thumbnail, but probably not. So, I mean, we did cut the train. I don't know if I was put it in my thumbnail or no. Or maybe the UP or CSX. I'm gonna put the double DPU or maybe Union Pacific and BNSF and or maybe Amtrak 145 trailing. So yeah, either one has got to be in the thumbnail. So you never know. And I'm gonna make a poll. I'm gonna make like a community post. Maybe I might, so I can like know like which ones I can use. This video, guys. Umbrella starting to piss me off a lot longer. Like holy shit. Getting a little better, the rain's getting a little better now, so you know the train's starting to slow down. NS 264 right here, guys. I can tell because they don't have any UP containers and they don't run in and 28B does not run in the morning obviously, so yes. I just want the train to end, guys. Like, I don't know how. The train, like I said, to end, guys. Alright, good, it's an end. Someone on the train is Norfolk Southern 264. NS 264. The 264 originates from Chicago, Illinois at the 47th Street Yard. Heads east to Air Massachusetts terminates onto the next train clip road. Alright, we got my Amtrak 48 coming down the line. And then once you hit the 145 trailing in this train. And then this is my last train of the day. Time is now 8:29 a.m. So what do you got for this train, guys? I believe we got Hunter Street Hobbies in there, but I didn't expect to see him coming down the line. So yeah, this is my last train before I go home. One 44, all right, phrase 3B42, all right. Symbol with Amtrak 48. Oh, they got it. And that's the last train that we're gonna catch in this video, guys. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more train videos by burning the Railfanning on YouTube. And this train is Amtrak 48, originates from Chicago, Illinois, heads east, and New York State, which terminates.